Imagine never paying for CapCut ever again. Yes, the same CapCut everyone is using to create viral TikToks, YouTube Shorts, stunning cinematic edits, and pro-level transitions. While creators are wasting money every month just to unlock a few extra tools, today I'm going to show you a secret method to get every single pro feature unlocked, completely free forever. No trial, no subscription, no hacks. Just a clean, safe method that most people don't even know exists. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have CapCut Pro in your hands without spending a cent. Curiosity tease, build suspense. What if I told you that features like automatic captions, smooth slow motion, background remover, trending effects, advanced transitions, and even cinematic LUTs can be yours for free? That's exactly what CapCut doesn't want you to know. But I'll show you step by step, from download to pro-level editing tips, how creators are using it to dominate social media content. And trust me, this isn't some shady trick. It's completely legitimate, safe, and easy to follow. But you must watch till the end. Missing even one step might break the process. Step 1. Open CapCut website and download. The first step is simple. Open your browser and go to CapCut.com. Right on the homepage, you'll see a big button labeled Download for free. Click it and your download will begin instantly. This is the PC version, which is fully free and comes preloaded with all the features you'll need. Make sure you're downloading from the official website to avoid scams. Once the download finishes, you're ready to install. Step 2. Install CapCut on your PC. Open the downloaded installer and follow the on-screen instructions. It's super straightforward. Just click Next, accept the terms, and wait for it to finish installing. If you already have CapCut installed, you can skip this step, but make sure your version is the latest to unlock all new features. Once installed, launch CapCut and we'll dive into the setup. Step 3. Set up projects and storage. When you first open CapCut, you'll see the main interface. But before editing, let's set up where your projects will be stored. Click on Settings in the top right corner, then navigate to Drafts. You'll see Save To with a file path. This is where your project files will be saved. You can change this to any folder on your computer for easy access. Organizing your files now will save you headaches later when you're handling multiple projects. Step 4. Access Pro features for free. Now comes the magic. In CapCut, go to the Effects or Tools section. Normally, some options are labeled Pro and locked behind a subscription. But using this method, every single Pro tool will be unlocked. You can use advanced transitions, background removers, auto subtitles, slow motion, cinematic filters, and trending effects, all completely free. Try it out, add a clip, apply a Pro effect, adjust the parameters. Everything works smoothly. No limitations, no trials, no expiration. You now have the full power of CapCut Pro at your fingertips. Step 5. Test features with a sample project. Before diving into real edits, let's make a test project. Add a short clip, try out the background remover, apply slow motion, use trending effects, and generate automatic captions. Notice how smooth everything works. This is what professional creators use to create viral content. By mastering these tools, you can make high-quality videos in minutes. The compound clip hack. At this point, CapCut usually tries to block you. You've probably seen it before. A big pop-up that says, "This feature requires CapCut Pro," with a shiny Upgrade Now button. It even shows you the list of all the Pro features you just used in your project, basically telling you, sorry, you can't continue unless you pay us. But here's the catch, and this is the part CapCut doesn't want you to know. You don't have to pay a single cent. Instead, here's the trick. Go back to your timeline and select everything you've added. That means your clips, your text, your effects, and all your transitions. Don't leave anything out. Once everything is highlighted, right-click and choose the option called Convert to Compound Clip. What this does is basically take all those different layers of your edit and merge them into a single, unified clip. Think of it like putting all the puzzle pieces together into one complete picture. Now here comes the secret move. Right-click again and this time select Pre-Process Compound Clip. CapCut will now take a few moments to process the entire edit as if it's preparing a final video render. Depending on your computer speed and how many effects you added, this might take a few seconds or up to a minute. Once the processing finishes, CapCut automatically saves a copy of that compound clip inside your project folder. The file usually gets a generic name. For me, it shows up as 0617, but yours could be something different. Here's where the magic happens. Go back to the folder location that you selected earlier in your CapCut settings, the one you chose as your default save location for drafts. Inside that main folder, look for another folder with your project name on it. Open it and you'll see multiple subfolders. Now, find the folder labeled Resources. Inside that, there's another folder called Combination. Open it, and here's the surprise. you'll find an actual video file sitting right there. That's your fully processed, fully rendered clip. And it contains every single pro feature you used in your project. All the effects, the transitions, the slow motion, the background removal, the overlays, everything. And here's the best part. This video file is completely unlocked. You can now take it out, use it anywhere you want, upload it directly to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, or even re-edit it in another software like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. It's yours, 100% free. You didn't pay for Pro, you didn't sign up for a free trial, and you didn't need any risky hacks. You just unlocked CapCut's premium features with one simple method. Pro tip, experiment with combining multiple effects. For example, background remover plus LUT plus cinematic slow motion can instantly make your videos look professional. Step 6, bonus tips for maximum effect. Here's where most people make mistakes. They don't explore the templates. CapCut offers tons of pre-built templates that are fully editable. Use these templates to learn trending edits and reverse engineer viral content. You can even create your own template library to speed up future projects. Another pro tip, organize your effects into favorites. This saves time and ensures your most used tools are always a click away. Efficiency is key when creating viral content. Step 7. Optimize export settings. Once your project is ready, don't just click export. Optimize your render settings for best quality. Choose 1080p or 4K if available, adjust frame rate to 60 FPS for a smooth motion, and use CapCut's high-quality codec. These small tweaks can drastically improve the final output and make your content look professional. Remember, the better your video quality, the more likely it is to go viral. If this helped you, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I'll keep sharing more insane free tricks and editing tips to make your content go viral.